Okay, 7th grade, so we got example 2 of funny Amazon items. So this one, we're going to find the selling price of wolf urine. It's a 32-ounce jug of wolf urine. You can see the picture in the notes, and you might be, why would I buy a jug of wolf urine? Well, wolf urine can be used to scare away deer. So if deer are going after your garden or the vegetation in your yard, whatever it might be, you could pour this around and it scares them off because they smell it and they think, oh my gosh, wolves are in the area. Now, the one thing I always wonder about this is whose job is it to collect the wolf urine? I don't know. So, we're going to move on. So, we're finding the selling price of it. We've been given a lot of information here. We've been given the store's cost, which is $1,005.56. I made these numbers up, by the way. The price we get at the end is the price it used to cost on Amazon, but all these numbers are made up. The markup rate, so then they're going to mark it up 85%. Then they're going to discount it by 95%. And then finally, there's going to be sales tax of 7.5%. And we're being asked to find the selling price. What do they sell it for in the end after all these different things happen? So what we're going to do is, my calculator here in a minute. I guess I don't need it yet. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to figure out all these rates as decimals. So remember, let's start with markup. When we talked about markup, we talked about you make it a decimal and you add 1. So 85% would be 0.85. I add 1 to that. 1 plus 0.85 is 1.85. And I'm multiplying. For these problems like this, you're always multiplying because we're doing all of these things. We're doing this markup. We're doing this discount. We're doing the sales tax. So we multiply. So our discount rate is 95%. So if you remember, for discount, you subtract. You subtract from 1. So I make that a decimal. That would be 0.95 as a decimal. And I subtract it from 1. 1 minus 0.95, that would be 0.05. And again, I'm multiplying because we are doing this discount. The sales tax rate is 7.5%. Sales tax is like a markup, so we add it to 1. When I make this a decimal, this becomes 0.075, because remember, you move your decimal 2 places to the left, and I add 1, because we said sales tax is like markup, and that'll be 1.075, and that's going to be multiplying. Again, we're multiplying for all of these because we're doing the markup, the discount, and the sales tax. Now it's just using your calculator, and again, you can do this all in one step, so I can take $1,005.56 times 1.85 times 0.05 times 1.075. I do all of that, and I end up with, I could get my calculator here, 99.9903, blah, 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 blah. This is money. We round to the nearest hundredth, so that's the second digit. After the decimal, I look at the next number, that's a 0. I'm not going to round up. So I get my final answer for the cost of a 32-ounce jug of wolf urine, and it's $99.99. So seems like a pretty good investment to me. All right, you've got one more video from me on another funny Amazon item, so please watch that.